In addition to being designed for women, the Geely Panda Knight edition is quite cute. Geely's teeny tiny electric car, which is known as the Panda, is now available in two different iterations, the Mini and the Knight. According to Geely's admission, this model is intended for young consumers, and the fact that this electric car has a pink interior demonstrates with absolute certainty that this brand is largely aimed at clients who are female. In addition to the color, the interior of the vehicle has been well maintained, and it features a central touchscreen measuring 8 inches that is equipped with a wireless connection, voice assistant, navigator, and a variety of other multimedia services. The price and the performance. When it comes to the mechanical characteristics, the Geely Panda Knight edition is fitted with a permanent magnet synchronous motor that is situated close to the back axle. This motorcycle has a power output of 41 horsepower and a torque output of 110 Newton-meters. Geely has not disclosed the precise technical parameters of the battery. Nevertheless, the company has disclosed that the accumulator can be refilled with either alternating current, 3.3 kilowatts, or direct current, 22 kilowatts. There is a starting price of 39,900 yuan, which is equivalent to 5,081 euros, for Geely's Panda, which is only available for purchase in China. This Knight edition is anticipated to be slightly more expensive than the standard version, although it will still be priced below 10,000 euros.